Good morning children, how are you? This is class 4 children. Please all of you open page number 35. Page number 35 please open children. Yes, class 4 children, this is the English. We have to what we have to learn? We have to learn about the grammar. Okay, tick the verbs which are in present continuous tense. Yes, in the previous video we have learned about the present continuous tense. Okay, whether we have to use the S and ing. Okay, so now this one is the present continuous tense. Okay children, we have learned about the simple present tense as well as the present continuous tense. Okay, now we will see this one. My sister studies or is studying to become a doctor. My sister is studying. My sister is studying to become a doctor. Please tick this one. Geeta is baking or bakes a cake. Geeta is baking a cake. Is baking a cake. Okay, next. Mr. Panda parks or is parking his scooter under that tree. Yo. So this one, in this one what will come? Is parking. Okay. We are wearing woolen clothes because it is cold. Yes. So in this, tick this one, the are wearing, and in this one please parking you have to keep. Are you seeing this children? This, yes, all the children are studying in the school, in the classrooms. Yes. Simran is sitting or sits behind Arjun in the class. Yes. So this picture is about this only, where the Simran is sitting. Simran is sitting besides the Arjun. Okay. Is sitting or sits? Is sitting because she is sitting. Yes. Next one. Work in pairs. This is a K bit. Work in pairs. Find 6 differences between the 2 pictures. Frame sentences and write them in your notebook. Which tense have you used? Discuss with your partner. Okay children, this you have to do. Please take a notebook or anything, any notebook you have to take. This is homework children. Please write this homework. Okay, this is picture A, this is picture B. You have to find the differences in them. Okay, I am just zooming it. Okay, this one, this is the picture A children, and this is the picture B. Okay, so you just go through with this both of the pics and try to find out the differences and try to write in your own sentences. I want to check whether which tenses you are using. Okay children, like a monkey is swimming from a tree in picture A. So here a monkey is swimming from a tree, but here you can see no. Yes, so this is the example. This is an example how you can write the sentences. Okay, write well. The L bit. Read the letters written by Meena and Nanu again. Write a letter to your aunt telling her about your best friend in school. Follow the same style in your letter. You could include these points. Okay, the name of your best friend, when you became friends, how you became friends, why you like your friend, things that you do together, what is she or he good at. So these are the things you have to write children. Please write this and this. I want you to write better this one, the differences. You will feel good after writing about this. And for writing the letter, you just go through the lesson and then you can write. Okay children, in any of the book you can write. Okay children, please turn the page. Page number 36. Okay children, here in this you may begin like this. 29 August 2020. Dear auntie, I would like to tell about my best friend. We became friends in the shopping mall or anywhere, and tell the incidents to your aunt. So how you have become friends and how he or she good at, and whether he or she like the sports or not. Okay, what is the conversation between you and your friend, that you can write. Okay children, please write proper sentences children. Okay, now this is for the life skills. M bit. Imagine that you live in other country. You are going to meet your grandfather or grandmother for the first time. How would you feel before and after the meeting? Circle the words in each cloud. Share your thoughts in class. Just you have to imagine and before how you felt and that you how you felt. This is also homework. You just need to circle it. Okay. Before you are nervous, you are curious, you are happy, you are excited, and after how you felt happy, relieved, tired or excited. Like children, if in my opinion I will be excited and happy, and even after also I will be happy and I will be relieved, because after meeting the grandmother or grandfather, what we felt very relieved. Okay. Next, values. This is about the life skills and this is about the values. Wherever they are, our grandparents love us and spoil us so much more. What can you do for them in return? Take the correct options. Do you think you would make them happy? So what are the so many things are happening when we are visiting to the grandparents. Okay, they are in the either way they are spoiling us, they love us, they will take care of us. Yes, so lot of things will be going on. Okay, so here you have to tick for the correct answers. Okay, as my opinion I have ticked children, you can do for yourself. Okay, next one, buy them new clothes. Yes, obviously. Give them a hug before leaving or for school. Yes, obviously. Write them a note thanking for something they did for you. Yes, I will just better to write in their language to their understanding, so that I can give them a thank note. Okay, give them an expensive watch. I won't give. Okay, spend an evening talking to them. Yeah, obviously. Go on holiday with them. Yes. Okay, last one children, complete this sentence with a word that you choose. This is your choice children. The most valuable thing you can give to your grandparents is, for me it's love, obviously it's affection and care. Okay, now this one is enrichment activities for listening and speaking. Listen carefully, you have to do this homework. Okay children, your teacher will describe this picture, write the number of the sentence next to each picture. Okay, so here I will tell you what are the things going on in the school. Okay, first period is about the prayer. Okay, first in one is the morning assembly, then you will go for dance class, then you will go for the library, then you will go for the lab, okay, science lab, and then last you will go for the play. Okay, that is for sports. So you just check with the pause the video and then you can give the numbers to them. Okay, speak well. P, take turns to describe any two things that happening in this picture. Nana, see this picture, what they are doing. Yes, the teacher is asking something and the children are saying I will say the answer. Yes, so in your words you just discuss with your partner. Okay children, please turn the page number 38. Okay children, this one, conversation practice. This is also homework for you. Meena introduced herself to the new girl in the class. Read their conversation, just we have to read it. Okay, Meena, hello, my name is Meena. What's yours? Amina. Hello, my name is Amina. I'm called Meena too. Yes. Meena, which school did you go to earlier? Amina, St. Mark in Mumbai. Meena, really? Have you just come to this town? Amina, yes, my mother has got a job here. Work with the partner. Imagine that you have joined new school. Introduce yourself, your partner, and ask and answer at least 4 questions. Okay, think a name of yourself. Suppose your friend name is, hey, what's your name? My name is this. Next, hey, where are you come from? I came from Bangalore. Like this. Okay, why you have joined the new school? Oh, you have recently joined this school. May I know the reason? Like this you have to converse. Okay, yes, because my dad has transferred here. What do you like about the new school? Okay, now you got into the school, right? So what do you like about this school? So he will say that yes, in this school new friend, I can make new friends, like this. Okay, use these words and phrases. Hey, my name is, where did you, why did you come here? Okay, I used to study at the other school. Okay, we moved here because my dad has been transferred. So please children, do this, complete your work. After this we will do the worksheet children. Complete this, try to converse with your partner. Okay children. Okay, this is the second, this is the third lesson we have completed, and try to write the letter of your own in the notebook. Okay children, take care children, bye.